Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a boat. Start with a big rectangle for the boat's body. Add a smaller rectangle on the top for the cabin. Draw a triangle for the sail attached to the cabin. Make a curved line for the water under the boat. Add two circles on the body for windows. Draw a door on the cabin with a rectangle and a handle. Connect the cabin and body with a straight line. Create a wavy line around the boat for the sea waves. Decorate the sail with fun patterns or shapes. Draw a happy sun in the sky with rays. Draw a smiling fish swimming in the water. Place a small island in the distance with a palm tree. Draw a ladder on the side of the boat. Sketch a steering wheel in the cabin. Give the boat a name with bold letters. Draw a leaf hanging on the side. Create a trail of seashells on the beach. Draw a friendly octopus swimming hello and puffy clouds in the sky. Draw a smiling captain steering the boat. Use shading to give depth to your drawing. Show the boat casting a reflection on the water. Add a friendly troll swimming by. Draw a sand skull on the beach. Draw a fisherman trying to catch fish in the distance. Use your creativity to add more details. Imagine friendly octopus waving hello. Add a message in a bottle on the shore. Picture a lighthouse in the distance. Show the boat and hold with a rope. Add a message in the bottle on the shore. Draw a sand skulls on the beach. Thank you so much for watching this video.